Okay, so I'm going to give you a quick insight into how I food prep. I try to keep things pretty simple. I think if things are complicated and hard to follow, you won't. And so if you want to eat healthy and have your food taste good, I'm going to show you real quick and in real time. So probably going to try not to edit this video at all. I've just got some pork leg here. Okay, I'm going to put fat side down. I put the meat side up. From there, I've got a little bit of apple cider vinegar. This one happens to have a tiny bit of ginger, turmeric, and chili in it. Pretty generous with a splash. The vinegar is just going to help break down the meat. This is in a slow cooker. I've set it to high at the moment just to get it up to temp. Next ingredient, this one's liquid smoke, so a little bit of smoky goodness. Not the same amount as I would with the apple cider, probably 25 mils versus 100. A little bit of garlic powder. A little taste of the orient, tiny splash of soy sauce, just for a little bit of character and flavor. And now this one, you can get these in tons of different flavors. This one is Chipotle, so it's just Grill Mates. I do a lot of my shopping either at Coles or the Spud Shed. This morning all this stuff is from the Spud Shed. This pork leg is roughly going to make up, I'd say, the better part of 4 to 5 days worth of food. Just looking at the weight now, it's 1.8 kilos. So I mean, it'll obviously reduce in weight, and that is it. I now stick that on. 1.8 kilos worth of meat. It's going to slow cook anywhere between 8 and 10 hours. Give it a go, see how you like it. It's going to taste great. Mix it with rice, salad, pasta, whatever you want. It's the result.